Greetings, dearest friends, and welcome. We seek your help in securing your future. Your human selves know only fear, limitation, lack, and suppression, while your soul selves know love, abundance, faith, and gratitude. This is the conundrum and what separates you from your highest truth. We see plenty of you becoming more grateful as your years go by. Indeed, there are many of you right now who wish upon your earth the greatest your physicalized selves can offer to one another. At the same time, we also see in your evolution many amongst your population who resist the change necessary for this level of gratitude to take place. Understand, your evolution is a matter of time. Your human concept of time gives way to linear functioning. However, we suggest you let go the notion that you have only one way of life as your only option. Our dearest friends, you are at the helm of your lives. You create your experiences. You bestow upon yourselves the unwanted as well as wanted desires of your consciousness and, more so, your unconscious minds. As you recognize these features within yourselves, that is, your God-given ability to choose at every moment with every breath what and how you wish to be, you will truly be the masters of your physical life. This is, in part, what we desire for you. Know that you are not alone on your journey. Your earth life is simply a reflection of your soul's intention to manifest experiences from which it can learn and grow. You will drive your own vehicle, so to speak, towards a higher understanding of your greater existence, for this is what you came to earth for. We ask you to honor in your soul's desires. Let your hearts guide and inform you of your proximity to your soul's wishes. There is a reason your physical hearts are at the center of your physical bodies. It is where you need place your real concerns as well as your dreams. Your heart knows. Do not question its inherent wisdom. Question only why you do not give it the dominance it deserves. For your heart's desires are your soul's wishes. That is all.